efforts. The body's back on the Plymouth, just working on the body mounts. Most of them are in now.
Actually, if you can't protect our members, we're not going to play. And so it's a massive issue for the game.
This is a big old car.
Because of this particular topic.
And Gary has got
people have started to target at players. So to your point,
body on
lack
his.
of respect. It was once there.
Just to pick up on this point as well about when people are on a pitch, you know, if you're celebrating, then it's okay. Shouldn't it be made?
Which looks fucking fantastic.
That there is absolutely, I mean, it's illegal yet, but people are ignoring it. And when they're celebrating,
The firewall's roughly in.
onto the pitch to celebrate if we win, you know, and then it's specific. This is the only time. This is a, you know, this is a special moment, so that it still is ingrained in the fans and the acts around the club that it is never okay to be on that turf.
Yeah, it is okay to be on the turf with permission, as you say.
But I mean, the judgment is as well that permission isn't granted when you celebrate, but it has to be